All right, it's my second video today. I got another update for you guys for ClickBank. And for you guys who don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate marketing platform. You're just promoting products to make a commission. This is how the site look. It's easy. You can sign up for free and start promoting products today. All right, this is the ClickBank marketplace. This is where you find all the products at the marketplace. Somebody asked me how do I search for my products. I usually just search by gravity. So I go right here, I sort gravity. Gravity means the most people, like right here, say 426 people within the last month or so made a sale with this product, custom keto diet. So the product I'm currently promoting is called Biotox Gold. This is the product I'm currently promoting, Biotox Gold. On average, you average about $135 in commission per sale. As you can see so far, I have 1,400 in commissions, only 234 hops to my website. Okay, today I only got 4 clicks to my hops, and I earned $120.58 with one sale. Go to my dashboard. I'm still testing this out. Today is Sunday, January 17th. 120 bucks. Yesterday I made 121. From the start, I started promoting this product about 15 days ago, and I currently made 1,400 this month so far, with 15 sales, as you can see. If you have any other questions about ClickBank, just leave a comment below and I'll answer. I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated every day on my ClickBank and Digistore 24 results. So to give you guys the confidence and show you guys you can easily earn money from home. Also, I need you guys to let me know if you want me to open up a small mini course. I'm only gonna charge $20 per student. I'm gonna show you guys ClickBank campaigns and how to start them and go in more depth with you guys. Just let me know below.